how to connect your Nintendo Switch to the TV. So here's what you want to do. The first thing that you have to do is set up the dock itself. Now the dock is gonna have two cables. One is going to be the power cable, which is going to be this one, the smaller one, and also an HDMI cable. So just connect both cables. The power obviously goes into the power supply, and the HDMI cable goes at the back of your TV here, depending on your model. Now once you have this connected, all you have to do is take your Nintendo Switch 2 like so and place it right here. It should automatically detect that it is connected, and this should make it turn on or make the TV turn on, and it's gonna essentially just tell you that the Nintendo Switch is connected. So as you can see, it took a little bit of time, but now it is connected and I can play. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.